Imagine looking at your monitor and watching the cursor move on its own. It clicks on a LinkedIn profile, scrolls through their recent posts, pauses, and then types out a highly specific, personalized connection request. High-volume outreach is increasingly ignored by prospects, and the accounts sending these repetitive templates are quickly flagged and restricted by LinkedIn security filters. Standard automation tools rely on headless browsers, hidden instances of Chrome operated through code. Security systems catch these because they lack the natural rendering patterns, cookies, and timing of a person actually reading a page. We need an agent that physically uses your computer the way you do. By applying an AI realtor framework using Claude Code's computer use feature, we can deploy an assistant that visually scans the screen and builds a message grounded in the prospect's actual profile data. This chart shows our 3-module pipeline. Step 1, the grounding module, evaluates raw attributes to identify marketable features. Step 2, the personalization module, aligns facts with your outreach goals. Step 3, the marketing module, drafts the message anchored in the profile's facts. This structured approach forces the AI to follow a multi-step workflow, treating each message as a distinct output of your marketing constraints, rather than a generic text generation loop. To start, we need to initialize our assistant and configure it to work within your browser's active session. Open your terminal and type npm install-g at anthropic.ai-claudecode. Follow the prompts to authenticate your Anthropic account. Next, prepare your environment. The agent requires a non-blocked browser. This means using your actual daily use browser profile, complete with your real history and cookies, operating within a visible UI. Avoid using incognito mode or data center IP addresses. These are the primary signals LinkedIn uses to identify and block automated headless browsers. By using a real browser profile, the AI inherits your existing account credibility and human-like security fingerprints. Now we feed the grounding module its data. Create a file named prospects.csv and populate it with target LinkedIn URLs and any existing context you have on those leads. Create a second file called linkedinoutreach.md. This serves as your marketing design document, containing the operational directives for the agent. In this file, instruct the AI to ground its personalization by visually scanning the activity and featured sections of the prospect's profile for specific, credible evidence. Include a character count directive. LinkedIn caps connection notes at 300 characters, so explicitly tell the AI to keep the message under 280 to ensure if always fits. Finally, define the surprisal strategy. Instruct Claude to find one rare or unique detail on the profile to highlight something that proves the message was written for them specifically. These instructions transform the raw profile data into a system built for grounded persuasion. In your terminal, run the command to feed these instructions to Claude Code, beginning the discovery phase. Watch the terminal as the AI explains its reasoning. It will log steps like scanning profile for marketable features as it analyzes the current state of the page. Because the agent uses visual reasoning, it conducts a wide scan of the browser window, identifying coordinates for buttons and text fields on the screen. On your monitor, you'll see the cursor physically move to click Connect, select Add a Note, and type the generated message. This split-screen feedback loop allows you to verify that the agent is following your grounding directives and correctly interpreting the visual environment. Open the outreachlog.csv file to review the results. This file tracks every successful request and the exact message sent to each prospect. To maintain account health, you must cap your activity at 15 to 20 requests per day. Spreading these out across business hours helps maintain a behavior pattern consistent with a standard user. You can integrate these logs into a platform like MindStudio to automatically update your CRM and trigger follow-up sequences once people accept. The framework handles the repetitive manual labor of the outreach loop, but the factual truth of the content remains the responsibility of the human operator.